So what's the steps in an ideal? This is an ideal, perfect PDNS implementation. Well, you have to have your network designed in the appropriate way. You have to have DNS servers. You have to get threat intelligence. Threat intelligence, I said very quickly, was knowing what's naughty and what's nice, knowing which traffic you want and which traffic you don't. You don't have to figure this out for yourself. You can get threat intelligence from a variety of open source, government, and proprietary sources for that. You have to deploy that threat intelligence into your DNS servers. You have to take a look at the results, and then you have to take what you've learned and use it to modify the threat intelligence that you have deployed in your network. And sometimes in these cloud implementations, a particular cloud server will turn bad, be a source of malware for a while, will get cleaned up, and then be a good thing again. So sometimes you have to you can't just continually add bad guys. You have to occasionally cull the bad guys that have been cleaned up. People that have been cleaned up include people like the New York Times, for example, that for a while was hosting malware ads. You can't necessarily depend upon your instincts for this. You have to be on the guard.